jaw of a velociraptor. The talons of birds of prey. Top of the food chain. The ultimate predator. Eagles, hawks, owls, vultures, rulers of the skies, hunters and masters of flight. Welcome to Predators on Wings.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. So how's everyone feeling today? Feeling good? Awesome, that is great to hear. And by the way, my name is Shawal, and I am a Raptor Ranger. My teammate Joe and I are passionate about understanding and protecting birds of prey.
We conduct rescue and release efforts and also take care of the birds here. So today, we are going to introduce to you some of our favorite predators on wings.
So if everyone is set, look right up there. That is Susie, our American bald eagle. The female raptors are bigger and heavier than the males, and she's no exception. There you go. Wow. Susie has been with us for almost 25 years. Her beaks and talons are huge, making her an unmatched huntress.
That's right. Now Susie here, she weighs 4.7 kilograms. But yet, when flying at high speed, she's able to lift up an entire prey weighing up to 4 kilograms. And that is almost an entire body weight.
The fun fact about bald eagle is that they build really huge nests. If you're wondering how big the nest can get, it can be up to 10 feet wide. So let me just show you how big that exactly is. So taking this thumb as a marker, this is about 10 feet wide. It can also be up to 20 feet tall, which is about 3 or even 4 times my height. Impressive, isn't it?
Impressive indeed, Shalom. And you know what? Susie here has done a wonderful job. It's time for her to head back home. So let's get that for Susie of American Bald Eagle.
Drew, do you hear that?
So that's a very familiar call. Look right up there! Everyone, I'd like you to meet Nelson, our white-bellied sea eagle. These birds, they are probably found in Southeast Asia, and it's also one of the largest raptors that you can find right here in Singapore.
A white-bellied seagull has talons with rough undersides which allows them to grip onto slippery and strong prey, which or even snakes. In fact, they specialize in hunting venomous sea snakes. So it looks like he is in position. We're going to do a quick demonstration. Here we go! That happened really fast. Now for those of you who have missed the action, not to worry. We have a replay on the screen.
Impressive hunting indeed. And that is why the white-bellied sea eagles are one of my favorite raptors to spot in Singapore.
But Joe, there is another raptor that you should watch out for, and that is the Bromicades. Let's welcome Sapphire! Right, the Bromicades like Sapphire are medium-sized raptors, but don't let their size fool you. They can still prey from a bird as big as Nelson. And of course, if you're walking around Mandai, do remember to look up. This is how they look like in the sky. So on the left is the white-bellied sea eagle. On the right is the Bromicade. And I thought you would join me on stage right here, Sapphire.
And we are also joined back with Nelson. So the white-bellied sea eagles and the Bromicades, they are two local species of raptors. But it is not that difficult to tell them apart. But these two birds, they are very different in their size, colors, and the shape of their wings. So white-bellied sea eagles like Nelson right here, they have V-shaped wings and a wedge-shaped tail.
As for the brownie kites, they have M-shaped wing with a U-shaped tail, and they are much more brownish. It looks like that while you've done well, it's time for you to head back first. Alright, making a pit stop to the LED screen. Of course, admiring yourself first. Alright. Okay, you know what? Your trainer is waiting for you. It's time for you to join him back home. All the way right there. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Sapphire from the Kite.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, each year, 2 million raptors migrate during the winter from their breeding grounds in Europe and Asia, flying all the way to as far as Africa. But that is a perilous journey, and many of them never make it to their destination.
Thousands around the world are killed for sport. So we need your help to save and protect these birds, or our skies will soon be empty.
Did you know that birds of prey are actually important to us humans?
Yes, they are very indeed.
So they are vital to the health of our planet. Birds of prey help to remove dead and injured animals and even get rid of pests. So one particular bird helps us very well with pest control, and that bird is none other than the owl. Now the rodents that these birds hunt for never hear them coming, because owls, they are the masters of silent thoughts. Everyone, let me introduce you, Latif of Malay Fish Owl. Right on this side, meets Soren, our barn owl.
No, Joe, you mentioned something about silent flight, right?
Yes, that's right.
Well, the reason they're able to do so is because owls have soft edges at the tip of their feathers, which alters air turbulence and absorb noise, making them as silent as a whisper. And they also have incredible eyesight and binocular vision, just like us.
Oh, excellent eyesight indeed. But not only that. Now the colors of an owl's eyes tells us when they hunt. So owls with yellow eyes, they hunt during the day. Now those with orange eyes, they hunt during sunrise and sunset. So owls with dark black eyes, they hunt during the night. And with that,